In a quiet African village, where the sun painted the earth golden and children ran barefoot through dusty paths, lived a 16-year-old girl named Amina. She wasn't rich. She wasn't famous. But she carried a treasure. She knew English. Her father had once worked in a nearby town. With his little savings, he bought her old second-hand books. Amina would sit under a kerosene lamp at night, whispering words she barely understood. Dream. Future. Hope. She practiced until her tongue danced with the rhythm of the new language. One morning, Amina looked at the children of her village, bright eyes, curious hearts, but no school. She thought, what use is my knowledge if I keep it only for myself? So, she carried her tattered books to the shade of an old acacia tree. At first, just 3 children came. They giggled as she spoke English, but Amina did not stop. She picked up a stick, drew letters in the dirt, and turned the ground into a classroom. Day after day, more children gathered. Their laughter filled the air as they sang the alphabet together. Mothers listened while fetching water. Fathers paused from farming to watch their sons and daughters speak strange new words with pride. Soon, the whole village was talking about Amina. The chief himself came one afternoon and heard the children greet him in English. He was astonished. Amina, he said, you have given us more than knowledge. You have given us hope. Traders from nearby towns began to notice too. Children who once hid shyly behind their parents now looked them in the eye and said, "Good morning." The simple words became bridges, connecting the village to the outside world. One evening, as the sun melted into the horizon, Amina's father sat beside her under the same acacia tree. His eyes glistened with pride. "My daughter," he said, "you have planted a seed. One day, it will grow into a forest of opportunities." Amina smiled, watching her students run home, their voices echoing the English words she had taught. She realized that teaching wasn't just about letters or grammar. It was about awakening courage, opening doors, and giving children the power to dream beyond the horizon. And so, the girl with old books became the teacher of a whole generation. Her classroom had no walls, no desks, and no chalkboard, but it had something far greater, the belief that learning could change their world.